Mental health providers. We know how difficult it can be to create balance in your work life. Private practice, and especially telehealth, can be very isolating. Even when you work in a group practice, you probably spend the majority of your time working one-on-one with your clients. If you are licensed in multiple states, it can be even more challenging to get to know your colleagues. You want to have a robust referral network and feel supported by the referrals you receive, and also feel confident when you need to refer out. More than that, you want to have a work bestie and a team that shares in your vision, understands your frustrations, and provides you with a safe space to grow, bounce around ideas, problem solve, and just have fun. You've probably tried connecting with your colleagues through traditional social media platforms or your professional organizations. It's likely you've been frustrated by algorithms, unfiltered toxicity, schedule conflicts, and professional siloing and turf wars. That's where we come in. Mental Health Connector Pro is the social hub of the Mental Health Connector suite of services. You can think of Mental Health Connector Pro as a mishmash of everything you need in a social media platform with the organization and productivity of a robust collaboration app. And it's just for mental health providers. We have groups, forums, and discussions for everyone, including groups by state and county regions. We make it easy for providers to form interdisciplinary connections. You can find and post jobs, events, and research and service opportunities. Don't see what you need? No problem. We have a tab where you can request a group setup. Best of all, there isn't an algorithm, and our community is grounded in values, intention, and boundaries. Everything you would expect in a community by and for mental health providers. Ready to get started? Every provider directory listing includes access to Mental Health Connector Pro. Don't have or need a provider listing? No problem. Licensed healthcare providers can join Mental Health Connector Pro separately. Join now from our website mentalhealthconnector.com/community.